Hello students, good morning. Myself Rakesh Kumar Sharma, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. We are going to study the subject MEMS and Nanotechnology, Lecture 5, and we will discuss the topic NMR spectroscopy. NMR spectroscopy is nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. In NMR spectroscopy is a technique which is based on the absorption of electromagnetic radiation in the radio frequency region 4 to 900 megahertz by nuclei on the atoms. NMR spectroscopy, mostly commonly known as NMR spectroscopy, or we can say the magnetic resonance spectroscopy, is a spectroscopic technique to observe local magnetic field around atom nuclei. Spectroscopy determines the physical and chemical properties of atoms or the molecules in which they are contained and provide detailed information about the structure, dynamics, radiation state and chemical environment of molecules. If an external electric field is applied, then the number of possible orientations calculated by the formula 2L plus 1, in which L equal to the 1 by 2 and possible orientation is 2, that is plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. If we can see in this figure, in this minus 1 by 2 spin state, and in outward direction there will be plus 1 by 2 spin state. Now the basic principle of NMR spectroscopy, the principle behind NMR is that many nuclei have spin and all nuclei are electrically charged. If an external magnetic field is applied, an energy transfer is possible between the base energy to an higher energy level. And without external magnetic field, nuclear spin are random in direction, and with external magnetic field applied, then nuclei align themselves either with or against field of external magnetic field. And the instrumentation of NMR spectroscopy, there are several components like as sample tube or sample holder, permanent magnet coil, sweep generator, radio frequency transmitter and receiver, and readout system. First one is simple tube or simple holder. It should be chemically inert, durable and transparent to NMR radiation, generally about 8.5 cm long and approximately 0.5 cm in diameter. Sample probe, it is the device that holds sample tube in position on is provided with an air driven turbine for rotating the sample tube almost 100 revolutions per minute. Permanent magnet, it provides homogeneous magnetic field at 60 to 100 megahertz, and the magnetic coil that induce magnetic field when current flow through them. Sweep generator is used to produce equal amount of magnetic field pass through the sample. Radio frequency transmitter, which is used to produce a short powerful pulse of radio waves, which is normally 60 megahertz capacity, is normally used. Radio frequency receiver, which detect the radio frequency emitted as nuclei relax at lower frequency, lower energy level, and the signal detector and recording system. The electrical signal generated is amplified by means of amplifier, then recorded. In this, the working of NMR spectroscopy instrument, the sample is placed in a magnetic field and NMR signal is produced by excitation of the nuclei sample with the radio frequency into the nuclear magnetic resonance, which is detected by sensitive radio receivers. The intramolecular magnetic field around an atom in a molecule changes the resonance frequencies, thus giving access to details of the electronic structure of a molecule and its individual functional groups. As the fields are unique or highly characteristic to individual compounds, NMR spectroscopy is definitive method to identify monomolecular organic compound. Besides identification, NMR spectroscopy provides detailed information about the structures, dynamics, reaction state and chemical environment of molecules. And the advantage of, or we can say the general applications of NMR spectroscopy are: NMR is used in biology to study the biofluids, cells, perfused organs and biomicromolecules such as nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA, carbohydrates, proteins and peptides, and also labeling studies in biochemistry. Also, NMR is used in physics, physical chemistry to study high pressure diffusion, liquid crystal and liquid crystal solutions, membranes and rigid solids. It is also used in fluid science. And the other applications of the NMR spectroscopy are solution structure, molecular dynamics, protein folding, ionization states, protein hydrations, etc. Thank you, students.